Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a sliding bracelet. We'll start by gathering our essential materials. You'll need a durable cord, like waxed cotton or nylon, ideally about 1 millimeter in thickness. Make sure your beads have holes large enough for the cord to pass through smoothly. Having everything ready before you begin makes the process much more enjoyable and straightforward. Let's get started on this fun and creative project together. Now, let's prepare our bracelet. Cut 2 pieces of cord, one main piece about 25 inches long for the bracelet itself, and a shorter piece, around 10 inches, for the sliding knot. Thread your desired beads onto the longer cord, leaving a few inches of cord free on both sides of the beads. Secure these beads by tying a simple overhand knot on each side, ensuring they stay in place while you work on the closure. The sliding knot is key to an adjustable bracelet. Take the 2 free ends of your main bracelet cord and lay them parallel, overlapping by about 2 inches. Now, use your 10-inch cord to tie a series of square knots around these 2 parallel cords. You'll want to make approximately 5 to 7 square knots. This creates a sturdy, adjustable closure that allows the bracelet to fit various wrist sizes comfortably and securely. It's simpler than it sounds. To finish your beautiful new bracelet, carefully trim the excess cord from the sliding knot. Leave small tails, about 1/8 of an inch, to prevent unraveling. For extra security, you can apply a tiny drop of clear craft glue to the trimmed ends or gently melt them with a cord zapper. Finally, test the sliding mechanism to ensure it moves freely but holds its position when adjusted. Congratulations, you've made a fantastic sliding bracelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.